how you can fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos and when you should basically be able to add 20 photos. Now, before I teach you guys how to do this, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to your app store and search for Instagram. Now this works when your Instagram is up to date. So if you're not updated your Instagram, just tap on update and update it. Now after you've updated Instagram, what you'll need to do is check if you are able to just add 20 photos. And if you're still not able to do this, what you can do is you can go to your settings. Now if you're on Android, you can just clear the cache of your Instagram. And if you're on iOS, what you'll need to do is just go to your general in settings, go to iPhone storage, and after you're on iPhone storage, select Instagram. Now here, just offload the app, just offload it and you can reinstall it. And after doing that, your problem will get fixed. And it's that simple, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.